Infoglobal commits more than 25 years creating customized avionic products, embedded system, and control system in a modern and independent. Integrity, seriousness, and high accuracy are tools to build great product, make life better and easier. In the development process, we do re-engineering by emphasizing the importance of analysis, creativity, and results. The detail of each part are designed as efficient as possible to easier process for production flow and implementation. From the beginning, our expert engineers commit working together to create high-end technology product. Development in electronic sector have been improved in a modern way, so it is more durable and efficient. In a series of structure manufacturing to produce shape accuracy, using high precision machine with alloy 7075 material as Avionics standard to make a precise and valued product. The development and production process is being carried out with independent and professional to ensure innovation continuity and create product technology which answer the client's needs. The assembly process is carried out with carefully and supervised by our expert engineers to maintain quality as a result of more lasting and high quality product. All Infoglobal products have met quality management standard with supervision and testing teams that work closely to ensure the best quality. Our commitment is not only answer the client's needs, but we provide solution to become a one-stop technology partner because your trust is our responsibility. We always participate in developing technology globally. It is proven that our products have been trusted and implemented since 2008. We answer all your needs with the customized avionics solution.